our latest AC and DC clamp meter in CM83 series, and its model code is CM83E. Look at its pliers. The distance between two pliers is 3 centimeters, and here is the trigger, switch, blue and black buttons, screen, and probe jacks. Here is flashlight and date hold button. Here is battery compartment. Here are accessories of CM83E: cloth bag, clamp meter, K-type probe to test temperature, probe, user menu, gift box. Now I will show you the NCV function. First, power on the device. Press the NCV function button. Right, NCV. The L means low voltage and H means high voltage. Okay, next show you the flashlight function. First, power on the device. Then long press the flashlight function. Here. Long press, power off. Okay, now test the voltage. Switch to AC voltage function first. Then connect the probe correctly. Now I will show you the temperature test. First, turn to the temperature function. Now the screen shows us the environment temperature. Then we connect the K-type probe. Test the temperature of the water.